Hello, Beauman here, and I'm going to help you redesign the sounds of Half-Life Alyx in your custom add-on, like the sound this pot makes, for example. But if you're new to the Half-Life Alyx custom audio thing, you should check out this other video first. Here in the editor, we can see the physics prop that will be emitting our sounds, but we can't really see the sounds, and we don't know what they're called, and to replace them, we're going to have to figure out what the sounds are that are coming out of this physics prop. Now, to my knowledge, I don't know of any way to trace all the sound events that are connected to objects within Half-Life Alyx, but I do know a way to pull up a list of every sound event in Half-Life Alyx, and somewhere within that list is going to be the sound you're looking for. So to pull up that list, let's create an entity and make the class a point sound event. Under the object properties, we have a spot for our sound event name, and next to that is a magnifying glass that will show us a list of every sound event within Half-Life Alyx and within our add-on that we've created. Let's use the search window at the top and select a sound. I'm not certain which one of these is the sound event I'm looking for, so we're going to consider all of them and we'll select one of them for now. Let's copy this new sound event's name and go to the sound events file. Here's my only sound event so far. Let's make some space for new sound events, and let's also make a comment that identifies these new sound events as ones superimposed over the Half-Life Alyx sound events. Now I'm going to copy-paste some sound events I created beforehand, and I'm going to walk you through these details. The sound event name is going to be copy-pasted from the sound we just pulled out of the sound event picker. We give the sound event a type, and we give it a file path. In the sound event picker, there's several sound events that might be the one we're trying to replace and we're not sure. So we're going to create a sound event entry for each one of them. All of the sound event entries that you see on my screen are all the same, except for the sound name is going to be a little different to match each one of the sounds that we found within the sound event picker. And also check for those nasty extra brackets. Alright, we are done with our sound events file. We need to create another file, so let's go back to our root folder of our add-on, where we have the maps and sounds and sound events. Let's create a new folder called resource manifests. This new file is going to be named exactly like your add-on is, with the additional _addon_resources.vrman. You'll want to find the copy-paste in description, and then be sure to change the file path of your sound events file to match the one in your add-on. If you have multiple files, include multiple file paths. Let's recompile and reload the sound events file from the asset browser. And our sound replacement is in. Let's build and check it out. Thanks for watching. I'm pretty hungry for any kind of Half-Life Alyx audio content, questions, topics, and concepts, so please delight me and surprise me with whatever you got. Next, or soon on my list, is going to be a video detailing interactive music systems within the Hammer Source 2 Half-Life Alyx world. So stay tuned for that, coming up soon. See you on the next one.